How to use Gamestop gift card online. Hi everyone, in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use Gamestop gift card online. In order to use the gift card, you can simply use it as a way of payment method or purchasing an item. So for that, you'll have to log in into your gamestop.com through your web browser. Once you're logged in, that's going to take you to your home page. So first of all, you need to select the particular product that you wish to purchase using your gift card. So I'm just gonna select a random product for the sake of this video. Now let me go with this one. So if I tap the item and go through their detail like this, and when I add it to my card by tapping on add to cart located right at the bottom, so just press on it and add the product to your cart. Go ahead and select view cart and checkout if you want to do it so, or else if you want to keep on shopping, you can do that as well. But in my case, I'm just gonna show you how you can actually do so, just selecting a random product, just a single item. Now once you've added the product, go ahead and select the details and click on checkout located right at the bottom. Now that you've added the checkout process, here you'll be asked to enter in your shipping detail and all that. Once you've added the shipping detail, go ahead and select your information just like that and click the save and continue button located right at the bottom. After that, go ahead and select use original address. Once the information is done, you can see there's the payment section. So in order to redeem your GameStop gift card, you can see there is add gift card or trade-in center. Go ahead and select the link and enter in the gift card number that must be located on the back of your card. If not, then you need to scratch it, and then you can enter in the code and enter in the gift card number and a pin as well. As soon as you're done entering the following information, click the apply button located right at the bottom. If the information seems to be valid enough or the card seems to be valid, then you'll get a certain amount of discount on the following purchase. And that's how you can use GameStop gift card online. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.